Welcome to Mom Special. My name is Bhavya and today I'm gonna cook a simple, tasty and crispy dish called cubic potatoes. Okay, basically I'm a potato lover. Let me know how many of them are potato lover out there. So without any delay, let's see what are the ingredients. Firstly, I have taken 4 to 5 potatoes in this cooker and let it boil for 5 minutes. And nextly, we need pepper powder, then we need corn flour and obviously salt. So I'm gonna smash these potatoes very finely and later keep it in the fridge for setting for 5 minutes. After taking the potato smash from the fridge, add the required amount of corn flour. So basically, according to me, 3 tablespoons is enough. Required amount for you guys, you can put it. Then later add some pepper powder and then mix it. Oops, I forgot to add salt. Let me add it now. My bad. After mixing all the masalas and corn flour, the potato smash will look like this. Later on, make small shapes of cube and place it in the tray. So I have made all the shapes. Actually it's not exactly cube, but still I tried my 100%. So now let us fry it. So fry it until it becomes golden brown. So I'm boiling it for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns into golden brown. And it's ready and it's done. Okay, let me taste it now. So I'm gonna taste it. My goodness, I guess you guys can hear the sound of this crispiness. It's damn crispy. I bet it is the best dish to serve